Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that when you're just removing your email address from iMessage and Face settings, FaceTime, it cannot remove. So how you can resolve that issue? Simply just follow some steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and just go to software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And after that, simply just scroll down and just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on the reset. And here you just reset your network settings from here. After that, simply just go back and simply just go to the again settings of your iPhone and just go to the sections of your FaceTime. Just simply search a FaceTime on the search bar. If you don't find, simply just go to the FaceTime app and just scroll down and you see that it's you can need via FaceTime add that account. You wanna how to remove that? Simply just remove how you can that. Simply just go to the back, again back, and goes cancel and just go to the Apple ID and simply just sign out your Apple ID and it's also gonna remove from your FaceTimes and also remove in your iMessages. So that is a setting you have to make sure to remove your email address from that section and also remove of your just like you're just adding your any email Gmail any Gmail address. So in my section I just add iCloud. So in your section if you add any Gmail you just remove just type on that remove on that Gmail and just remove the Gmail from your iMessage and also FaceTime. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.